Beer Champ barbecuers. Today we're doing up Beer Champ beans. Oh hell yeah. I'm changing it up, adding in new ingredients, taking away. Check this out. Amazing. Oh hell yeah. Beer Champ beans. Oh yeah. So perfect. The balance is just dynamite. Man, add your favorite beer. Just a little splash. Oh hell yeah. Beer Champ beans were successful out of the pit boss with that new Lodge 16-inch cast iron pan I grabbed. That thing is phenomenal. If you don't have one, go get one in the description down below. You don't pay anything extra. You just kick back to my channel just a little bit, and you pay the same price I did. And check this guy out. Kent. Oh yeah. Thank you, Kent. Those are badass stickers. And I have one extra. So, thank you for thinking ahead and sending two. So when I get this wall done, I plan on redoing everything and getting a section just for all of my barbecue fam, friends, and putting stickers, a whole section of all of you guys out there. Because, man, we're one big family. And we kick ass, man. Barbecue family, we kick ass. Cheers. And the reason why we kick ass, because we're cool, down-to-earth people, and we support one another. Like everybody should in the world. But most, yeah, you know how that goes. Anyway, guys, enough of the rant. Beer Champ beans, what did you guys think? Comment down below. I think that's version 1. We might have a V2. You never know. And because I think I'm going to do a little rub on top of it at the end. But right now, those rock. Oh, they're so damn good. So, subscribe if it's your first time here. Comment down below, hit the thumbs up, and smash that dinner bell, because that's what time it is. Oh, hell yeah.